Hello and welcome to your OnRamp navigation tutorial. In this tutorial we will cover OnRamp screen navigation, including the different parts of the screens, notes about screen functionality, and using the screen taskbar. You can use screens to add, update, and view data in OnRamp. Screens are made up of the following sections and elements. Drop-down menus. Click the drop-down arrow to open a list of selectable records. Click on the desired record in the drop-down menu to select it. Fields. View, edit, or add information regarding the record. Tabs. Where available, select the different tabs to enter more information relating to the record. Please note the following functionality for OnRamp screens. Click on a field and press F1 on your keyboard to view the field ID. White fields cannot be edited. Search fields feature active smart search. As you type, the Explorer window will display items with a title that match what you typed. When adding or updating field data, do not use special characters such as a space, comma, period, semicolon, asterisk, @ symbol, or slash. The underscore character is acceptable. An underlined field name indicates a shortcut. To view or update the field, double-click on the field to open the respective screen. Accessing a field containing a file name will open the file picker screen. Click the date picker to update fields used to store the date. Screens can have multiple sections or frames. For example, the customer master, which is screen 1092, contains two frames titled Customer Master and Contacts. The active frame has a white background, and the inactive frame has a light blue background. Inactive frames cannot be edited until they are selected. Click anywhere within the frame to select it. The upper frame displays overview details related to the information in the lower frame. Next, we will discuss the screen taskbar. The screen taskbar is displayed at the bottom of all OnRamp screens. The taskbar has a search box and buttons to browse, edit, add, copy, delete, and print the screen. The toolbar also has OK, Cancel, and Exit buttons. The taskbar allows you to access the 4 action modes in OnRamp: Browse, Edit, Add, and Delete. Browse mode allows you to view data, but you cannot make changes. Browse mode is the default mode when launching a screen. Certain buttons can only be selected while in browse mode. In browse mode, selectable fields have a light green background. Edit mode allows you to edit data. Select the desired frame and record, then click Edit. In edit mode, editable fields have a light green background. Fields that have been edited but not saved have a light blue background. Fields with invalid data have a red background. Click OK to save or cancel to discard any changes. Add mode allows you to add new records. Select the desired frame before clicking Add. In add mode, required fields have a red background, and light green fields are optional. Required fields that are populated with a default value but not saved have a light blue background. Click OK to save or cancel to discard any changes. Delete mode allows you to delete records. Select the desired frame and record, then click Delete. Click OK to save or cancel to discard any changes. The taskbar works on the active frame. If certain modes are unavailable to that frame, the buttons will be unavailable. You can see what modes are available by the color of the buttons. Dark blue is the currently active mode, in this case Browse. Medium blue is available for selection, such as Edit, Add, Copy, Delete, Print, and Exit. And light blue is unavailable for selection, which is OK and Cancel, as no changes have been made to this record. This concludes our tutorial for OnRamp's Solutions screen navigation. Thank you for watching and have a good day.